This 2022 Polestar 2 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Polestar is powered by C.D.J.R all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, electric engine, and has 150 miles. Experience electric driving with our 2022 Polestar 2, style, performance, and sustainability in one. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.